Hello everyone, I'm Archie Torres, 24 years old, and I'm Wood Concepcion Turlock.
Hi, my name is Hardy Choa and I am 23 years old and I'm representing the Filipino Indian community.
Mga sining na hapon po. I am Jose Fuentes from the swarming province that is filled with arts and culture. The province of Rizal.
Hi everyone, my name is Roque Gilberto Baon and I will be representing the province of Iloilo.
Hello everyone, I am Cedric Cruz and I'm 24 years old. I represent the province of Rodriguez, Rizal.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Marty Lapa, I'm 23 years old and I'm representing Tarlac province. And my hobbies actually is I love doing some workout, and I'm a streamer player before. When I was in high school, I joined a regional competition.
Hello everyone, my name is Bastian, 20 years old, representing Valenzuela City. Facts about me is one, I can eat chicharron without sounds. Facts about me that I'm a fit.
Hello everyone, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. My name is Jason Salonga David, 18 years old. I'm representing Capas Tarlac. My hobbies are singing, cooking, and I also love working out my bed. Thank you.
My name is Joshua Kaning. I am representing the historic city of Butuan. It is located in Agusan del Norte. It's the home of the Balangais, the first boat that was used by the first people in the Philippines.
Hello. Good afternoon everyone. I'm Jay Malyari, 20 years old, and proudly representing Labas Tarlac. And my hobbies are playing volleyball, basketball, biking, and also I love working out. That's all. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Cliff Einstein. I'm 24 years old, representing a beautiful city. The UNESCO is one of the creative city and also the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio City. I am 24 years old, as I mentioned before, and currently I am a studio host and the one and only live bingo in the Philippines.